In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Grafana Slack notifications if you want your team to see alerts the moment something goes wrong. Sending Grafana notifications directly into Slack is a very practical setup. Instead of constantly checking dashboards, you can let Grafana automatically push alert messages into a Slack channel so your team can respond faster. In this walkthrough, we'll use Grafana's unified alerting system together with a Slack incoming webhook, which is the standard and most reliable way to make this work. Before you begin, make sure you have administrator access to your Grafana instance, ideally version 9 or newer, and permission to install or configure an app inside your Slack workspace. First, open your browser and go to the Slack app management area. From there, create a new app from scratch and give it a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose. After the app is created, go to the incoming webhook section in the left side menu and turn incoming webhooks on. Then scroll down and add a new webhook to your workspace. Choose the Slack channel where you want your alerts to appear, approve the connection, and then copy the webhook URL that Slack generates. This is the address Grafana will use to send alert notifications, so keep it ready for the next part. Now log into Grafana. In the left navigation menu, move to Alerting, then open Contact Points. Click Add Contact Point to create a new destination for notifications. Once the form opens, enter a descriptive name for the contact point so it's easy to identify later. For the contact point type, choose Slack. If your setup requires a more manual configuration, you can also use webhook, but in most cases, the Slack option is simpler. Then paste the webhook URL you copied from Slack into the webhook URL field. If you want, you can also expand the optional Slack settings and customize how the alert appears, such as the displayed username or icon. This part is optional, but it can help your notifications look cleaner and more recognizable in busy channels. Next, test the integration before saving it. Click the test option and send a test notification. Then switch over to Slack and confirm that the message appears in the correct channel. If everything looks good, return to Grafana and save the contact point. Finally, go back to the alerting section and open notification policies. Edit the root policy or create a new specific policy if you want more targeted routing. Set the default contact point to the